All right, April 6th, 2018. Here we have the euro already acting up alongside the dollar and well, pretty much the overall market after the numbers, what is unemployment numbers came out right now. So that was a catalyst for pretty much the market to move one way or the other. And it's still kind of fine trying to. It feels like it's still trying to process the report that came out. Seems like traders are still going about deciding, you know, I don't know which way to take this. So the VIX is up, up slightly, 3% from yesterday's lows. Very, very illiquid here. Choppy, choppy, choppy. So nothing really to be worried about here on the VIX, it seems. Natural gas. In the area of balance in the daily. Dollar trying to break out. We might get that today. I was expecting today's numbers report to kind of be a catalyst for that. But I will definitely be keeping an eye on the dollar as we move forward to help kind of guide, the sentiment on the euro that might be moving forward. Either we break out or we fail. And yeah, so that's what I'll be looking for today with the dollar and the euro correlation. Gold, slightly similar. Seems like we're still into the level that we were yesterday. Um, Actually, let me get a little bit more specific with the euro because I know I'll be trading that. But so here we have the euro breaking down below resistance, coming into support here in these price areas. We could definitely see a certain amount of failure coming into today, given the right amount of sellers coming in. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. So we already see a little bit of a price action here. I'm already short here at 22,890. Got short into the pretty much as a momentum move to the downside. Trying to get in before we break down these lows. A little bit of a construction of a build here, and maybe possible breakdown moving forward. We also might get some down, continual fight higher into this trend line, maybe here into this particular area, which will provide a good shorting opportunity. But for the time being, definitely short euro with let's see, no exact probably like a mental stop right around above these highs into this area. So right above this area, I'll be looking for shorting opportunities into here to take it down. And then if we get more upside, we'll be looking for higher levels here. Here we have this whole particular area that we can run into. That could provide a good shorting opportunity coming into this area. Definitely don't want to see a strong move up. But definitely giving us but moving up, bouncing up would definitely provide some shorting opportunities going into the rest of the day, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't get beat up on this position that I have on here. I might have to exit out if the risk is too much. Let's see. Yeah, so it's not that bad. I think it's pretty good. Euro risk compared to S&P risk is very much lower and a lot more comfortable holding on to. All right, and then yes, did pull back overnight. We had this balance area. Obviously, we didn't have enough strong enough structure here. That of course then led to the downside. Might have had some singles here on the incomplete auctions that were left to be covered, and that most maybe led to some selling and allowed sellers to really move this down. Maybe now we're like we're trying to find we'll be trying to find areas of balance, and should be exciting to trade ES today. Had a really good day yesterday trading it. I look forward to having another day. Seems like we're having a little bearish pennant here. Definitely a shorting opportunity below, shorting opportunity up into this resistance. You know what? 2658 was the number yesterday. It might be the number again today. We might have to run into that number later on as we go through here. Even though definitely shorting into 2653 is a good option. Yeah. So short into here, take it back down, breakdown, look for a breakdown here, look for some upside into here. So this will be a very important area. 2658. Look for confirmation into above 2658. Look for continuation into 2672. So for a move higher, and then also look for just trend like a trend like state. We might get a breakdown here to 2620, retest here, and then go back up to 2650. So yeah, those are the potential hypos. So I guess hypo 1 be breakdown down below here without a bounce. Hypo 2 breakdown below here with a bounce. Rise up to 26, hypo 3, rise up to 2650, breakout, rise up, hypo 4, rise up to 2650, come back down, hypo 5, just trend through this 2650 and this 2635. So those are the potential hypos coming into today. And the euro is definitely getting squeezed higher. Let's go into crude. So within this area, we got the 2660, 2672. We got 2620 down here. You got this range in between here. Probably look for a breakout above 2660 with strength coming in at 2670, pushing it higher. Look for a breakdown down below into below 6220, down into 6280. 6320 to 6280. 6280 is lost. Look at 62. Although it is Friday, and very likely Fridays tend to be a little bit more bullish. Take a look at, we were looking at gold, bullishness coming into gold, and the bearishness that's probably coming into the dollar. Look for failure into 1334 as we have throughout yesterday's session. Look for continuous failure here, or also a potential breakout above 1334. and look to be trading within this range, maybe possibly breaking 1328 and staying below 1328. That would be very bearish, and maybe you can even get down to below 1324. And we are at my stop on 6. So definitely squeezing higher here. Actually, we're not even there yet, but we're getting there. Pretty intense, pretty intense. I think this definitely signals a change in the short-term move in the euro. I think we should hold off and wait for the next opportunity. See what happens. So now out of my euro short, coming into an area of resistance. Risk was getting too much. It was not worth holding anymore. We'll look for weakness coming forward. Let's take a look at the day. Be looking for a rally here into some resistance and be looking to find that resistance and sell it. But yeah, those are the trades we're looking at for today. Take a quick look at the dollar. I should have taken a look at the dollar before I got out, because now we are in this area here. Might have been foolish to get out so soon, even with the high risk, because now I'm thinking about getting back in, coming into this area. Overall though, I think I should wait for the setup. That's what we'll do. We will wait for the appropriate setup to come along. We will take advantage of that. That's what we'll do. Forget momentum plays, forget jumping into a play, into a move. We'll wait for the right setup, and that's what we'll take advantage of the possible move in that setup. Alright, so pretty much I think that covers 4 instruments that I like to I'm thinking about trading today, and that I like to trade: gold, crude, yes, and euro. Perfect.